Good morning. Good morning, my new favorite houseplants. And today is the 4th day of purchase of this Calathea. And this is yesterday, the Thursday, I did the report. I changed into a 2-size bigger pot because I see the new shoots are coming and it's starting to, of course, it's starting to have root bound. That's why the new shoot is coming. That makes sense. And this is on the 2nd day, these leaves opened. And today, the 4th day, I find these two. These two new leaves are growing taller. They are even touching the top leaf, and they are also opening up a little bit. Yeah, these two, they did not change the first 2 days. It's a good sign that after repotting, after I disturbed her, she's still moving forward. And I miss her, of course, every morning and all the time during the day, except the late afternoon when I pass the plant. And on day 2, I cut the leaf back. Now the wound is finally drying out. So I think I cut too deep. I should cut on the tip. If I have to remove a leaf, it should be here. Because it's hollow inside, I should cut at the smallest part that the wound would dry out much faster. That's important for the health. And this is the 2nd one. She's in such a hurry. So, and this indicator has no future for the house plant. I think I take it out today. It's permanently says dry unless I put himself in the water and the light is permanently dark. I think it's good for the hydrangea. I will remove it today. And these are the wounds when they get from the shop. Yes, I think we are not going anytime soon to shower room together because all this wound, if we have too much water go inside, could be worse. Now I think there was a leaf I want to cut off. Here, this one. This one. He is losing mobility. He don't close up in the night, and he's blocking light from this new shoot, these new leaves. He's not growing at all. And anyway, he's at the bottom, and he's getting old. And this one, we have enough leaves on these plants, so it's even difficult to film it. Now we have it. Now I turn it around. Not successful. I think I cut it off after the video and show update tomorrow morning. So today we have nothing. We take a break, let her grow. I hope yesterday did not have too much shock from repotting. It seems not. I think I'm just too nervous about the plants. I like it too much. I like it too much to relax, excuse me. And yes, okay, so that's for today. I cut 1 leaf back. Then tomorrow we have a look. Thanks for watching. Yes, now I cut this leaf off. I cut at the top of the stem part, that to make this wound as small as possible. There's quite a lot of liquid coming out from the wound. Then we want this place to dry as soon as possible. Then after some time it dies off, it dries out, dies off, then we can peel it off easily by hand and throw it away. Now we are making space, making light for these new leaves. So let's have a look what's going on tomorrow if everything's fine. Yeah? Now it's evening. After today, one day, these new leaves, these two new leaves are grown obviously taller and opening up. And the first new leaf is half transparent, but it's turning darker. Today is turning much darker. The downside is also turning darker. And then I finally figure out how to use the moisture meter. It seems I tried on other pots. It seems he only works in the comparatively tight, intense soil with a very good drainage. This houseplants mixed soil, it's difficult to detect. So I tried several different places and get it very close to the roots, where the soil is already more compact than the new soil I add. Now it's working. When I watered it, it's 7. After today, half a day is dropping back, and I touch the soil. I think it's quite good. And also the pH value, I am very unhappy with the pH value. Even I tried so many flower mix, even hydrangea mix package I have at home. None of them could be under 7. If it could be 7.5, it's already quite good by us here. I was very disappointed. I don't know how to lower it. I do some research, but not too much drama. At the moment, they are doing fine in this very high value soil. Maybe it's not everything also. Then you have to be really careful with what kind of water we are using, because the soil is already so much, what's the English word? It's already so hard. And if we add tap water, it's with tap water or local river, local well water, is only get harder and harder. So that's for today, day 4. And here seems the light is very nice, which is comfortable to read, but very uncomfortable to make a YouTube video. But I will not switch on the big light only because of that, because the lady does not like it. My Calathea does not like strong light, video light. So that's for today. I hope we have a good night. The leaves will stand up and see you tomorrow.